Hi, in this video I want to show you what to do when you receive your bare roots. So first of all, you open the bags as you receive them and you soak the roots like this or in a bucket for around 3 to 6 hours. Don't be worried if the new growth isn't looking green and lush. It's normal. This year I'm not gonna do the same mistakes. So when I receive bare roots, I have soaked this one for more than 3 hours and I'm putting it up in a pot, not in the ground. So this gonna leave the plant some time to make stronger roots and be able to withstand the other plants and the critters in the garden and so on. So put a bit of compost. I can add the one that shipped it with, and here it is. So you can see all the nice root system and you can see the new shoots. So the crown, the base there is going to be just below the surface, and this has to be showing up on top of the soil. So let's see. Yep. So now I'm gonna add all of this, so nothing is wasted, almost. There. And so here you can see some growth, but the soil is still too low, so I need to come back to here.
A few moments later.
So now that this is done, you mustn't forget to put a tag or write on your pot. So this is the geom called Pink Fluffy, and I'm gonna do the same with my 2 other bare roots. So now that it's done, I've moved the pots to a sheltered position and they're gonna stay there. I'll be careful to keep them watered enough, and they say that once I can see some roots under the pot, and that when you try and take out the plant from the pot, the root system keeps the soil together. It's a sign that the plant is okay to go in the ground. So I hope this helps, and see you in the next one.